Hey guys, welcome to my channel.
Let's start eating.
Shit. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body Benz. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you'll probably do it again.
Okay guys, so this is what we're eating today. We are eating Donna's in Fort Lauderdale because we have something planned for you guys, and this is what my husband is eating. We're both having fried chicken with oxtail gravy and rice and peas, but I have coleslaw and we both have a soda on the side. You see our mask? I have a handy dandy mask, and then we both have hot sauce, Jamaican hot sauce, pepper sauce. Yes. So we're gonna dig in. We're in the car because, like you guys know, it's Corona going on, so we can't eat inside the restaurant. So, yeah, so we're eating in the car. Hold on, covering the camera there. We're eating in the car because, you know, like I said, Corona's going around, so we can't eat in the restaurant. So we're eating in the car. My husband said he doesn't mind.
Yeah, fried chicken on the go in the car style.
Guys, you know what we have going on, the reason why we're down here in Fort Lauderdale. You don't want to know my business? You know, so you want to know my business.
I tell you about that already now. You see what I do?
We are in Fort Lauderdale. We have hooked up with another YouTuber. His name is called the Iguana Man, and we are going to catch a iguana. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to catch an iguana. And we're gonna cook it up, we're gonna jerk it up. But that's gonna be another video. But for now, we're gonna dig in and we're gonna eat this food. We're not gonna show the outfit of the day because, yo.
Right now, you feel uncomfortable enough. So the word gonna come, I can't even enjoy my things enough.
What? What are you talking about?
You know that?
Let me put this right here so we can record. Aye, hold on. Let me just say.
Okay, I see you. Yeah, just catch up on the corners. See the sun? Gonna have video man I eat. But you know what go on?
What?
She knows if the woman will share the food here and them light.
Yeah.
Because she not give enough rice, you know?
Yeah, she didn't get a lot of rice. Well, I'm fine with it. It's always you. But you know I don't finish my food anyway, so you can eat my food.
Good thing we got the same thing.
Yeah. Lucky some never get pork.
The restaurant and serve pork. Anytime we in Fort Lauderdale, guys, we have to stop at Donna's. No matter where we are. And this is what? The Donna's in what? Commercial and University?
Commercial and University. This is our favorite one.
Favorite one right here. Have to.
So,
it's a must.
We decided to stop at Donna's and fill up our bellies so that we can be ready for
the hunting.
The iguana man. We got a bush today, right?
We got a bush, you know? You know what's a bush, Rago?
Iguana bush?
Yeah, man, be an iguana, man, kind of something. Alligator, something.
Alligator, oh yeah.
See, remember what we are going to
Listen, if you guys are not familiar with Florida, or you've never been here, don't come to Florida and come jump in the people in water.
Alligator will get you.
Alligator will get you.
Get your free. Yo, first lady.
Tastes good.
You know, so when I leave, I buy the next one. Hope we can't catch special again, you know? Chicken is on point. Always. Never disappoint us.
You know the chicken just came out?
Just come out.
Yeah, them just finished fried.
They never disappoint us, you know? That's true.
Ooh, hot. Okay, so.
Hot. What?
Richie, he got white meat.
Yeah. Breasts.
I got dark meat.
We love the breasts. Afro. Dark meat, she love. Chocolate. Yeah, man, that woman, they'll come like she never want to give some right. Yeah.
Fear on the light, though.
I tell you, fear on light, man. And the old lady, she serve, we know.
The old lady.
Fear on every man.
When the old lady serves, she don't give a damn. You know, man, I still feel like I don't have enough gravy.
Yeah, she didn't want to give no. You don't want to give no gravy. You trust your bag.
Thank you, sir.
Never want to give no gravy. Yes, sir. That's how the steam section, isn't it?
I have on my glosses. I have my contacts in.
You have on your glosses, flosses.
And I have to protect my eyes. Look at that.
Expensive the
Look
item.
at them and walk up on you, my youth.
Walk on. Yeah. We're going to have enough time to stop and get the next one, that's true.
We are.
Just believe that.
Listen, guys.
This place used to be packed.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Family, listen. I'm afraid, you know? I'm not gonna lie. I'm afraid. Because when I lived in Fort Lauderdale, when we lived here, where I used to work at, there was a lot of iguanas. A lot. And I used to run when I see them. So, and iguanas, what are they, honey?
Invasive species in Florida.
Iguanas are invasive species
In Florida. So
in Florida.
So you could hunt them,
Kill them,
eat the meat, or whatever, and they try to get rid of them.
Yes.
Too much of them. They destroy the place too much.
Yes. And what that means, invasive, is that there's too much of them, like my husband said. And they're eating people's crops who have farms, who have an organic farm.
So
They're eating vegetation, the natural vegetation. So they want to get rid of them. Okay?
so we're gonna help.
Yeah, we're gonna go get some. And the guy who we're meeting up with.
How are you gonna feel for the first time?
Wow.
Gonna eat that?
I don't know, I'm gonna be nervous. But they said the meat tastes good, so I'm gonna have an open mind.
And they're vegetarian.
So you know the meat is gonna be tender. So we connected with him, and he invited us to come and go hunting with him. The Iguana Man.
Way bigger YouTuber than us, right? That was nice of him.
That was very nice of him. He has over 100,000 subscribers.
Yep.
I mean, and he didn't have to do that.
You have to do it. Very nice of
But
him.
he did.
Yep. Appreciate that.
And he subscribed to our channel. And he was like, "Your channel is lit."
Getting there, it takes a day at a time. That was very, very nice. Bigger YouTuber. You know what I'm saying?
That's what I'm gonna do. When our channel gets bigger,
Yep. Help somebody out.
if somebody reach out to me and say, "Hey, I want to, collab with you. I want to do something with you." If I like what they're doing, I'm gonna definitely help them out. It doesn't cost me anything. It's not like, excuse me, somebody watching their videos is gonna prevent those people from watching my videos. It's not.
You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna make you go and talk to family and go buy your next food and come back. Come eat up our next food now.
Oh God.
Come on, man. I'm gonna see this food. Look a bit, man. Just stop right and make sure. And now move right out. And then I go down here. So what you call it? Esophagus?
My intro.
You know biology, not biology that?
My
Science. Oh, sure. Damn, yo. So, you know.
She gave me the right amount of food. I don't know about you, but.
She gave you the right amount of food, man.
So.
She never give me extra, right?
She didn't give extra rice.
She never wants no rice. After this, hunting time, family.
Hunting time.
First lady gonna be screaming.
Because they look so scary, but they won't bite you. You know?
Yeah.
They run from you.
They will them bite you, put your hand in them mouth and see them bite.
That's what I mean, not like that.
Yeah.
I mean, they're not going to come
and come
attack you, yes.
Yes.
But if you're messing with them, yes. But me?
Yep.
Like I said, I used to run when I see them. So, I know I'm going to run. I just don't want to be... I don't want to be too crazy, but... Child? I'm scared, I'm afraid.
I'm not afraid. I'm going to proper man.
With you cooking it, I know it's going to be good.
We ate alligator before.
In New Orleans.
No. That was real good.
That was good.
Is that right over there, sir?
You gonna go back in there and the people are gonna say, wow.
I'm gonna say, wow. I say, yeah, miss, you didn't give me extra rice.
She was stingy with the rice today.
Very. Look like you give you more rice than me.
Want some rice?
I might give me my rice, man. Give me more rice, man. I know say you're not eat up all that too. See, I usually give them more rice and put the chicken in the wrong plate.
No, she didn't.
Yes, she did. Family, the lady gave her the wrong plate.
So you say?
Oxtail sweet pan, you know, the real oxtail body, you know?
Fried chicken, rice and peas.
Oxtail gravy.
Oxtail gravy.
Yeah,
I have coleslaw. He doesn't. So he need more rice.
Can't beat that.
For $5?
Special. That's where we at. It's gonna be an epic day today.
Epic. Epic day.
And an epic video tomorrow. Take you along the journey. See how we cook it. Okay, watch out. I'm like, you know what? Stop.
Let me say.
One man.
Wild.
Yeah, I've been sure rant.
Mind yourself.
I just say it was a corona time. Yeah, man.
He acts like the parking lot is packed.
You know, this is the first time this parking lot has been so empty. Vegas Cabaret empty. No stripping thing.
No stripper club. No stripping IGUANA. Too much. Can't keep 6 feet away.
Can't keep 6 feet away. You have to be up first, up front. So how's everything with y'all guys? What's your Tuesday consist of today?
Oh, Tuesday.
Today's Tuesday, right?
Tuesday for real.
Oh, no T-Mobile Tuesday. Oh, you know, so they had something free on T-Mobile Tuesday today?
Oh, no,
they're going to give a free portrait. Free portrait.
From Walgreens?
Yeah. But yeah, so we came all the way down here for y'all, you know, to bring you that epic video.
The epic video.
First lady right here, she's going to be screaming. I know it's going to be funny.
So you going to laugh at my pain?
I'll laugh. I mean, I'll catch you going, man. I'll laugh, man. You're not touch it. No longer you know, I like this kind of stuff. Come back in Jamaica, we used to catch these lizards and stuff like that, but not these big ones.
Not these big ones.
This one is big, monster. You know? I'm gonna cook him up like this, like some fried chicken. Kia, look what we play today, you figure yo. Kia, look what I'm playing today, man.
How do you feel about eating the iguana? You know, nervous?
Nervous. I meat, you know. I'm a vegetarian and I best meat that too. You know, say, you don't have to worry about that now. The vegetarian. The way I make it, you're going to think it's like chicken.
I'm going to slap my mama.
You're going to slap your mama. Jerk it.
Mommy, I'm not going to slap you.
Jerk it. Jamaican style. Chef is back in the house.
Look, this fried chicken remind me of your fried chicken, although your fried chicken better. Look at that, guys. Look at that.
That looks so good. That meat though.
I don't know why. I think it's more juicier. The white meat is kind of dry to me, and it's too much meat.
Yeah. Come on, give me lunch. I don't eat thighs, but when it's fried, I eat it.
Yeah, that is true. You don't like it when it's stewed either? I eat it when it's stewed.
Oh, it depends. Good.
But curry, I don't know.
You give me this, I still gonna buy your next food, you know?
Honey, stop the nonsense, man. But actually, normally when we come here, he buys two food.
We buy 2 foods.
Stop saying we, Richard. Normally when we come here, he buys... Frig.
No, you know? 2 food. And look now, I eat the 2 food right there, you know?
Right there. No. He eat the 2 food, but then if there's too much people, he'll act like he only going to eat half of it, and then he bring the other rest home.
Yeah.
And by the time we get home, we have like a 3-4 hour drive. By the time we get home,
you help me too.
He brush it down.
You help me too. Stop lying. Oh shit.
No. What?
I got a text. I wonder if that's the
Iguana man?
move. Yeah. This is shit.
What time is it? Because our time is at 1 o'clock to meet him. We have enough time, man.
See there?
Am
I gonna live long?
What did you say?
Can't show his number though. Can't
Hey,
show
what's your, well, we there here. Tell me something we there here. He asked, what's our ETA? Estimated time of arrival. That's what that means. I'm not saying nothing about me, I tell them. Then say, we here.
Donna's, right?
Yeah.
And a commercial?
No, that's Donna's from commercial. We literally 10 minutes from him.
He just texted me. Can't show the number. Can't show any. Can't show me. Well, go check out this page anyway, because he got some good
Iguana man.
page.
He got some good stuff.
Good content.
He's really good at it.
So I be Iguana man.
Listen, we're gonna finish eating now. And
then
then
want me to apartment.
we're gonna catch you guys on the flip side.
You heard?
Peace out.
She remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins?